Nimonete wega wa BBI makiria nginya gwitwe aikari etu ava Embu kondo BBI ni iratuongerera constituency imwe constituency yorongererwa iramaanisha andu a Embu ni mbia marongererwa andu a Embu na students cia Embu kuiragia an opportunity ya gukorwo ikigia bursary nyingi kuria iragicaga mbere na andu ava Embu wana tukithiaga mbere tugakorwo twina opportunity.
Atumia ni mahetwo kamweke ga kuhota gutongoria thini wa bururi witu na kuhota kugia na kamweke ga gukorwo na mawira thini wa bururi witu ni undu wa BBI ino na nikio ndirauga tunafiririndana BBI tunafiririndana BBI
murege gutumirwa ni ngwenda kuria a youth othe ma Embu murege gutumirwa ni wanasiasa mubeago 200 mubeago 100 niguo muthie muikie mathiga murege undu ucio kabisa njoke njurie leaders acio maria marathie maria me neutral maratu confuse na magatubenia ate BBI ina maundu moru kana itirorongororetie mu youth na njira njega ndemwire BBI ukite na maundu mega muno.
The BBI articulation itself, it's boosting the unity among the tribes. We are 42 tribes in Kenya and ambapo tuliona 2007 we had election violence. And in that election violence, it was a section of one tribe fighting against the section of another tribe. And the BBI is here to bring the unity among the tribes and making us one Kenya, one tribe. So the government will be working as one.